In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change local time on Matomo. Adjusting the local time ensures your analytics line up with the real-day rhythm of your audience, so things like daily visits, conversions, and scheduled reports reflect the right morning to midnight window for your team. Start by signing into your Matomo instance with an account that has administrator privileges for the site you want to update. You'll need admin access to change site-level settings. Once you're in, look for the gear icon to open the administration area. If you don't see the gear icon, you likely don't have the correct permissions and should ask your Matomo administrator to grant access or make the change for you. Inside administration, head to the websites section. Depending on your version and what you're doing, you'll either choose Manage, which shows a list of all configured sites, or Edit if you're already focused on a specific one. From the list, select the exact website whose time zone you want to change. This is important if you manage multiple sites because each website stores its own time zone setting. On the site's settings page, locate the time zone option. Open the drop-down and pick the time zone that matches where the business or audience operates. It's best to select the city-based time zone closest to your location rather than a fixed UTC offset. City-based time zones automatically handle daylight saving time changes, so your reports won't drift by an hour when the seasons change. After choosing the correct time zone, save your changes. Look for a confirmation message so you know the update was applied. From this point forward, Matomo will process new incoming data using the time zone you selected. Keep in mind this change does not rewrite past data. Historical reports will still reflect the old time zone. If your team relies on long-term comparisons, it can be helpful to add an internal note or annotation marking the date you switched time zones, so everyone understands why daily totals may shift starting on that day. Once saved, give your reports a little time to reflect new data in the updated time zone, especially if your Matomo setup processes reports on a schedule. If you manage several websites within the same Matomo instance, repeat this process for each site that needs to align with a specific local time. That's all there is to it. Log in with admin access, open administration, go to website, select the site, choose the correct time zone, and save. With the right time zone in place, your analytics will be clearer, more consistent, and far more actionable.